Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmo Software and today I am going to explain you how to add employee designations. So let's start. Just click on HR module, then click on Employee Designations, then click on these four dots and select Add Designation. Just add description. I am adding software developer and just save it. The designation will be added. You can easily edit, view and delete that entry through this action, and you can quick search your designations through this filter and refresh it through this refresh button. Thank you. If you get any queries, then please connect us at contact us@sunmosoftware.com.